The MC20 super sports car, now also a spyder. Maserati presents MC20 Cielo, a one-of-a-kind car that can deliver the performance of a true super sports car, together with a holistic and immersive driving pleasure the like of which has never been seen before. Developed at the Maserati Innovation Lab and produced at the historic plant on Viale Ciro Menotti, the spyder is 100% made in Italy and 100% made in Modena, as is the coupé version. MC20 Cielo is designed for perfection. It weighs just 65 kg more than the coupé, made possible by meticulous, precise work during the stages of the car's design. As well as its outstanding weight-to-power ratio, the carbon fiber chassis, the same for all three configurations to come, coupé, spyder and the future electric version, also guarantees uncompromising torsional rigidity, offering a combination of extraordinary handling on the road and on the track. The new spyder is a car with an elegant yet highly sporty design. Its character and personality are truly eye-catching for the purity of its forms and the refined aerodynamics subjected to 360 degrees testing in a wind tunnel, whether the roof is open or closed. Nothing is superfluous in the design. Everything has its own function. The only concession to a surprise effect is the butterfly doors, as in the MC20 super sports car. The butterfly door provides much easier access into and out of the cabin, as well as showing off the carbon fiber cockpit and the completely unmasked front wheel. From an aesthetic perspective, the launch version features a new 3-layer metallic color known as aquamarina, available as part of the Maserati Fiorizzeri customization program. A color that interacts with light, revealing itself in a surprising way. The base is a pastel gray inspired by racing, reminiscent of the MC20's sporty DNA, accompanied by an iridescent aquamarine mica that enlivens the hue and makes it exceptional. The new model also adds a wide range of active safety systems. As well as the parking sensors, rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring included in the MC20 since the MY22, the new spyder introduces autonomous emergency brake, traffic sign information and a new 360 degrees camera. MC20 Cielo is equipped with an optional high-premium Sonus Faber audio system. The MC20 Coupé system, an ASA award-winning in-vehicle audio system, has been specifically optimized to fit the unique acoustic and positioning needs of the spyder's cabin, situating the system's 12 speakers to result in the natural sound that distinguishes Sonus Faber audio systems. Finally, the in-car experience is managed from the Maserati Intelligent Assistant multimedia system, and from Maserati Connect. At the world premiere of the new Maserati spyder, the bond with the sky will be the central theme, to take you into a new, holistic dimension. Just raise your eyes and look up to the sky.